Hello, I'm Doug Roran here in Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. And here is a native plant, native to the southeast and presumably far wider area than that. It's Dentaria, Dentaria diphylla, common name of toothwort. I guess traditionally it had a dental use. It's one of those plants that goes dormant in the summer, disappears in the summer, and then it comes back up in the fall. Now, why would it do that and grow through the winter months instead of going dormant in the winter? Well, it's a woodland plant. Like a lot of woodland plants, it likes sun but doesn't know how to operate a chainsaw to cut the trees down. So it gave up on that possibility a long time ago and has decided to grow through the winter months when the leaves are off the trees and the sun reaches the forest floor. It can also grow in woodlands that tend to be on the drier side in the summer, because in the winter generally soils are moist. And another surprising thing about this plant, it's in the same family as the collard greens you had a few weeks ago for New Year's Day. Oh, and Happy New Year's. It's Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year right today, the start of it. So happy spring as well. And this is Dentaria diphylla. Diphylla is not too scary a scientific name. It means two leaves. Well, you look at a leaflet, the leaves, and a leaf consists of three leaflets, but if you pull up the rhizome, the leaves are in pairs. So, off the rhizome there would be two leaves, two trifoliate leaves, but that's where it gets diphylla. It does flower. I think the foliage you have from late fall into spring is a greater asset than the flowers, but the flowers are showy. They're, well above the foliage, 6-8 inches tall. They are white flowers, and the brassica family used to be called the crucifer family, cruciferae. I'm messing that up today, because the flowers are always four-petaled, and they are at right angles to each other, as in a crucifix, which is where crucifer comes from, bearing a cross. And we all have crosses to bear. But a great, beautiful, winter-long ground cover, easy as can be. You can plant it under deciduous shrubs where its disappearance in summer doesn't matter. But it's great for adding beautiful green foliage through the winter months. So Dentaria diphylla, toothwort. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the future.